Hey guys, if running your hand over your face is like driving over potholes on a New York City street, I've got something here that promises to make it smoother than black ice on your driveway. Stick around. Hey, this is Rob again from PickyDaddy.com, where we review all the best stuff to waste your money on. Today, I'm checking out this Brickell Men's Products Purifying Charcoal Face Mask, because facials aren't just for women anymore. Now, I've seen lots of skincare products that have charcoal in them, and it got me wondering, if I put this on, can I grill hot dogs on my face? Okay. Okay, maybe not. Actually, it turns out charcoal is pretty awesome from cleaning dirt out of your pores and controlling the oil on your skin to help control acne, which you clearly can see I need help with. Okay, so let's go ahead and read the directions. At least I could read the directions if it wasn't written in a size 0 font. Alright, so we apply an even layer on a freshly cleaned face, and dry face actually, got that. Alright, then we smooth the mask all over your face, avoiding contact with eyes and the mouth, because I guess eating charcoal is kind of bad. Then we allow to dry for 10 to 20 minutes, rinse thoroughly with warm water, and massage it in until God, I need glasses, I guess. Oh, then massage it in and redo 1 to 2 times a week. All right, and then it's also in French here. So, okay, so let's go ahead, and this is the first time we're trying this. I'm gonna open this up. See, it's got the seal on it. Let's go ahead and take this off. Of course, it's stuck here. Now, don't try this at home. I'm going to bite this off. Hopefully, I don't get any charcoal in my mouth, because, again, that's bad. Come on. All right. All right. All right, so we can see here, this is what it looks like. It's kind of gray, much like the weather outside today, so it might be camouflage if I go outside. So we'll go ahead and we'll start putting this on here. Let's see, how does that look? All right, so it's a little bit cool when it comes out, and yeah, actually feels kind of nice, to be honest. Let's keep doing it here. All right, now we wait. Oh. All right, 10 minutes are up. Now we're gonna go wash it off. Ugh. It doesn't come off that easy. We gotta get it in there. All right, I can't tell which parts are my gray hairs and which parts are actually the mask. Now we got to massage it in there. All right, mystery hand, give it a feel. How does that feel? We got a thumbs up. All right, so we're now clean, and it feels, I'll tell you, it feels smooth. I don't know if it magically got rid of all the acne or anything, but it definitely does feel smoother than before I put it on. So, go ahead, give this a try. It's, again, it's this Brickell Purifying Charcoal Face Mask. And if you like this video, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button so we can make more of these great videos for you. If you have a product out there you'd like us to review, send us a note and a comment. Also, make sure you check out our main site at PickyDaddy.com for more reviews and other fun stuff. Until then, this is Rob from PickyDaddy.com. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Picky Daddy.